Look at this query. Here I see different aggregates of the salaries of each job IDs. Now, what if I want to see the same, but just the rows where the average salary is above 10,000? Can I use where salary is greater than 10,000? No. This will restrict the rows at the source itself. This will ignore rows with values less than 10,000. And this will make all these aggregate functions to work on a smaller set of rows from each subgroups where the rows with salary less than 10,000 are not included. And the result will be totally wrong. What we need is, we need the aggregates to work with all the rows at the source. Then we would like to do the filter on the result. I will repeat this again. A where clause filters data at the source itself. But what we need here is, we need to get all the data at the source because we need the aggregate functions to work on a complete set. However, while bringing the result, we need to have a filter. For that, we can use this having clause. Remember, a having clause does the filter on the result set. Now, this query will do the aggregates fully and bring just the rows where average salary is greater than 10,000. So this can be accomplished by having average salary greater than 10,000. Thank you for watching.